to this video, I'm gonna do something with our speaker. This is the door speaker. See, the foam is already rotten and it's gone. I don't have a replacement, but I will just try to replace it with a whatever speaker we could find here in my garage. Gonna detach this. Guys, the speaker is built into this mounting kit. This is the mounting kit, and it's built in here. So we're gonna cut all of this and then disconnect here. This is the speaker, guys. This is the speaker that I found here in my garage, guys. Smaller wattage, but who cares, it will work. We solved the connection. It's time to install our speaker. Guys, our speaker is working good.
Now that it's starting to get warmer, maybe it's time to complete that painting process.
This is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.